Today I'm going to show you how to replace your fan in a PT Cruiser. This is a 06 model. The first thing you have to do is remove these 4 7mm screws, and then you will grab the grill and push down on it and it will pop loose. Do this on the opposite side as well. They're hooked in underneath and there's a hook on the bottom, so you just push down and they'll unclip and then pull up to unhook on the bottom. After this, you'll remove these 10mm bolts. There's supposed to be 3 on each side, and then the lower middle bolt right here needs to be removed. Once you do that, you can hang it off the front like this, use something to protect your paint, and then you'll want to drain your radiator fluid down below the upper pipe, the upper radiator hose there, so that you can remove it. To do this, you need to go underneath the car and find this drain plug here. Now, if you just let this drain out, I suspect it'll go all over this and down in this tray here and probably drip possibly on both sides. So to save this, I lifted it up out of the holes like this, stuck a little hose on it, and then I opened the drain plug. However, this drain plug actually ended up leaking around the threads more than it did through the pipe. So not sure what was up with that. Probably something, piece of debris or something stuck in that pipe there that I need to clean out. But just get a drip tray, open this up, doing this with your radiator cap still on so that it doesn't pour out right away. And then once you get it going, you can go up top, remove your radiator cap, which will allow air to flow into the system, and you will be able to leak it all out faster, because as you can see right now, it's not pouring out very fast at all. Go ahead and take the cap off. This allows air into your system and you can drain the coolant out faster. You can see it's a small drain, so then I went ahead and opened it up more. And there you can see again how it's actually leaking around the threads and basically nothing is coming out of the lower pipe. But at least it's not going all over the lower frame and I don't have to clean that up. Now you can go ahead and squeeze the clamp on the upper radiator hose, move the clamp back, pull the hose off, and then I place it behind the dipstick just like this to be out of the way. Now there are 2 screws on the top of this fan shroud, 2 screws on the side. You can see down there, it's behind that bracket right there that you can see, and then the other one on this side, you can see it from the back side right there. There are also 2 on the bottom. To take the top and bottom off, I used this 10-8 wrench. To take the side on the passenger side off, I use this wrench. But for the driver's side, you're going to remove this air box. Move these take your air filter out. Pull up on the air box. It's just these little nipples holding it in. Remove the side hose, and then take the air box out of the way. Then you can remove your battery, negative first, then remove the battery hold down, then take the battery completely out of the car. Remove your battery tray. I sprayed it with some penetrating lubricant to keep my socket from sticking on them. Remove that out of the way, and then I use this long extension to reach this side. And then take the lower 2 bolts out. After those 2 bolts, remove the plug right here. Then you can remove your fan. This is the old one that I removed, and this is the new one that I installed. And for your convenience, this is the part number that I used.